misleading nano-ceramic coating. Though you think nano-ceramic coating is perfect, no, don't be misled by some advertisement. They are surely exaggerating it to you. Hooray! Remember, nano-ceramic coating is only one kind of chemical formula. It is not the God product. The truth one for nano-ceramic coating against to scratch. Yes, it is correct. If you choose one good quality nano-ceramic coating and apply in right way, then it can do great protection to your car paint against some scratch by lighter or rock chip. As these scratch from fire lighter or rock chip are really smooth, it only can damage to the bond of nano coating. It will not damage your car paint. In nano-ceramic coating can 100% protection to against all scratch. You can imagine, if by some strong rocks, your car will be assumably trans-shaped. Therefore, please keep it in your mind that only scratch by some pliable or soft products can be protected by nano-ceramic coating. The truth, the flammable is not good quality nano-ceramic coating, and non-flammable is good quality of nano-ceramic coating. Since nano-ceramic coating is one kind of chemical formula, it is normal to contain some industrial alcohols with its liquid, which will lead to flammable. But some advertisement will mislead you and show you some real videos to instruct you that non-flammable nano-ceramic coating is top quality, but in fact, they are stretching the truth to you. Please remember, if you need non-flammable nano-ceramic coating, we only need to add some fire retardant chemical in the formula. Then it will turn to one fireproof nano-ceramic coating. However, this is not the radical standard to choose one good quality of nano-ceramic coating. The truth 3 that is regarding the warranty for nano-ceramic coating. When you plan to choose one nano-ceramic coating online or detailing shop, you will be easily attracted to their warranty promise, and you will see the longer warranty, the higher cost. But what the real truth about the warranty for nano-ceramic coating? Here, I take Nano King ceramic coating as one example. When you apply Nano King ceramic coating to your car and apply it for one layer, it surely lasts for around 2 to 3 years. But if you apply 2 to 3 layers to your car, it is expected to last for over 6 to 8 years. Truthfully speaking, for one layer of Nano King ceramic coating will last around 2 to 3 years, as it includes 90% nano COEO with its formula, which is the main chemical component for nano ceramic coating to form one stronger bond to protect your car paint. If you want longer for the lasting, you can email Nano King Car Care at gmiil.com. We will share it with you. The truth 4 is about car wash after nano ceramic coating. After application nano ceramic coating, you don't need to do car wash. It is absolutely misleading you for nano ceramic coating. As we tell, when you apply one nano ceramic coating, it forms one bond on your car paint, but some dust or bird droppings will absorb on it. Then you have to clean your car. We would suggest you to do car wash per every 2 weeks. Then you can drive one new car every day, as nano ceramic coating will keep your car very shining. One secret to you: if you get Nano King ceramic coating, it contains the small bag car wash concentrate. They are very good to protect your car, as it is neutral formula which will add damage to your car paint. You can use it to wash the car before your application. And the truth, after you apply nano ceramic coating to your car, you will easily wash away those dusts or bird dropping without any effort. So you can wash it yourself. It can save your time and money to maintain your car. Finally, if you want to learn more about this car wash concentrate, please send email nanokingcarcare@gmail.com. We will share more with you. Generally speaking, ceramic coating is great car care product, as it can really do great protection to your car, such as protection it from abrasion of blown sand, from the proof W, ether like rain, snow and frost, from the harm of automotive exhaust fumes, from bird droppings, from the exposure to heat and UV rays, and from acid rain corrosion. With our sense, relay advice to you. When you want to invest nano-ceramic coating, you need to catch the contact directly with the producer. We're sure to point you the correct information.